Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the laser survey function on the GeoMeasure LUX within Survey Crew. So this allows you to use the Distal laser integrated into the unit to shoot X amount of distance from your receiver. So what I've done is I have already connected up to my receiver here, and I'm going to need to head to the Survey tab. Now within my Survey tab here, I'm going to click on Laser Survey. And I'll be prompted to make sure that my HI is correct. 1.6 meters is in fact correct for my current setup. And what I'm first going to need to do here is calibrate the IMU. So I'm going to rock that back and forth in order to make sure that it is calibrated. And if you need to know how to do that, I will link to a video in the top right corner on how to do exactly that. But once it's calibrated, I can now aim at any point on this wall and get a distance from it. And if I click on Store Point here, it will allow me to store the coordinates of where the laser is hitting. So this allows me to shoot a point on an otherwise inaccessible area or somewhere that would be unsafe for me to go. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the laser survey function within Survey Crew to store an otherwise inaccessible point. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video and any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.